In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Smartsheet item with someone else. If you need to give another person access to a sheet, report, or dashboard in Smartsheet, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. The key is making sure you share the correct item. Choose the right permission level and confirm that the access was added successfully. To begin, open the Smartsheet item you want to share. Before you send access, take a moment to confirm you're in the right place. This is especially important if you work with multiple sheets or similar project names, because sharing the wrong item can create confusion later. Once the item is open, look for the share button and click it. This will open the sharing panel where you can manage who currently has access and invite new people. If others already have access, you may see their names or email addresses listed here. Next, enter the person's email address in the field provided. Be careful to type the address correctly, since even a small typo can send the invitation to the wrong person or prevent it from being delivered. If you're sharing with more than one person, Smartsheet may also allow you to add multiple email addresses, but the most important thing is to make sure each one is accurate. After that, choose their permission level. Common options include viewer, editor, or admin. Viewer access is best if the person only needs to see the information. Editor access is useful when someone needs to make updates or collaborate on the item. Admin access gives a higher level of control, so it should only be used when someone needs to manage settings or sharing permissions. Choosing the right level helps protect your work while still giving the other person what they need. If needed, add a message. This can be helpful if you want to explain why you're sharing the item or give the recipient a little context before they open it. Keep the message short and clear so they immediately understand what they're receiving. When everything looks correct, click Share or Send. This completes the invitation and sends access to the person you selected. Finally, confirm that the person appears in the sharing list. This is an important last check because it lets you verify that the share was added successfully and that the permission level is correct. If you don't see them listed, go back and review the previous details before trying again. And that's how to share a Smartsheet item with someone quickly and correctly.